To open a margin account on Webull, follow these steps. Download the Webull app. Begin by downloading the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play, or visit Webull's official website on a desktop. Sign up or log in. If you don't already have an account, sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. If you're already a user, log into your existing Webull account. Upgrade to a margin account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Tap on account details and select the option to upgrade to a margin account. You will need to have a cash account first in order to upgrade. Ensure that your account is funded with a minimum of $2,000, as this is a requirement for margin trading. Complete the application. Webull will ask for additional information regarding your income, net worth, and investment experience, as margin trading involves borrowing money to buy stocks, which increases risk. Review and sign agreements. You'll be prompted to review Webull's margin trading agreement, which outlines the terms of borrowing, interest rates, and risks. After reading through, sign the necessary documents. Approval. Once approved, you will have access to margin trading features, allowing you to leverage funds for larger trades.